Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the coding boat. This is series of internet and this is part 4. So let's begin the session. Before starting today's session, I want to revise what we have learned in last 3 sessions. We have learned what is internet, then we have learned what is data transmission through internet. What are the mediums we can use to transfer data through internet? These all points we have covered up till now. In this session, we are going to understand internet working protocol. Now, the internet is a global network of networks. Internet links billions of devices together all around the globe. Internet is made of large number of independently operated networks. We can connect our device through Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is wireless bit sending machine. Wireless bit sending machines typically use a radio signal to send bit from one place to another place. Wi-Fi works of the same principle as other wireless bit sending machines use. Wi-Fi uses radio frequencies to send signal between devices. Then Wi-Fi connects to internet service provider. This is new point. These all points we have covered in last 3 sessions. We are already aware of that. This point is new. What is that point? Then Wi-Fi connects to internet service provider, nothing but ISP. What is that ISP? We will understand when you connect to your ISP, nothing but internet service provider, you become part of their network. The ISP, nothing but internet service provider, may then connect to a larger network and become part of their network, and that larger network may then connect to other larger network and so on. As we already know, internet is simply a network of networks. Now that ISP connects out device to billion and billions of devices around the globe through hundreds and thousands of networks that all are interconnected. Understood? ISP is one internet service provider which has its own infrastructure, which has its own network, but this ISP will connect with another larger network, and then that larger network may connect to other larger network and so on. In this way internet will form. Internet is nothing but international network, means a global network of networks will form in this order. Now let's move on. Protocol. What is protocol? Protocol is set of rules and standards used to communicate between machines. Protocol is nothing but rules and standards. Some rules and standards are there that each machine which is in network has to follow for communication purpose. If that machine is not following that protocol, then there will be difficulty in communication. So there is particular protocol that should be followed. The devices which are using IP can communicate with each other without any trouble. The devices which are using IP, what is IP? Internet protocol. The devices which are using internet protocol can communicate with each other without any trouble. Here IP means internet protocol. Now IP address. Let's understand what is IP address. All the different devices on the internet, have unique address. Internet is nothing but international network or a global network of networks. So in this network all the different devices have unique address. The address of device on internet is just a number, similar to roll number of a student in school or college. IP address is unique to each device on the internet. IP address is unique to each device on the internet. An IP address, Internet Protocol Address, is a numerical representation that uniquely identifies a specific interface on the network. Let me repeat once again. What is IP address? IP address is a numerical representation, or we can say it's a particular format represented in number that uniquely identifies a specific interface on the network. IP address is similar to phone number. Here we are going to understand IP address with the help of one example. What is that example? That example is phone number. We are comparing IP address with phone number. Let's understand. IP address is similar to phone number of particular person. By using that unique phone number, we can communicate with that particular person. IP addresses are binary numbers. IP addresses are binary numbers, but are typically expressed in decimal form. Let me explain in a better manner. What is language of machine? Language of machine is current off, current on, nothing but 0 or 1. So they have one system, binary number system, but humans have decimal number system. Correct? In binary number system, base is 2. In decimal number system, base is 10. So we understand 10, 100, 1000. Correct? Multiple of 10. But IP addresses are binary numbers. So it is difficult for human to understand it. For that reason, they are expressed in decimal form. There are one is decimal form, another is hexadecimal form, to make reading and using them easier for humans. For humans, IP address, which are binary numbers, are expressed in decimal form, hexadecimal form. What is that? The IP address which is expressed in decimal form is called IPv4, and the IP address which is expressed in hexadecimal form is IPv6. Why we are expressing binary IP address in IPv4 or in IPv6, that we will understand in next session. Okay, that's it in today's session.